Step 1. Open the controller.
Please note, the ebike in the video is the new MX02S. The controller is on the battery base. The old MX02S controller is in the black box of the upper tube. Step 2. Take out the wire beam. Step 3. Find the connection header of the wire beam to the controller. Please note, the line color of the throttle is different from the color of other lines, so it can be discerned well when connecting the new throttle connector. You can also connect the corresponding connector according to the color. Step 4. Take out the old throttle. Step 5. Install a new throttle. Step 6. Connect the connector of the throttle and the controller. Step 7. Install the controller. That's all. Thank you.